Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to subscribe and watch Sony LIV Premium on our smart TV. We can also upgrade our existing plan and renew too. So let's check it out. Sony LIV or Sony LIV Premium got a lot of interesting regional, foreign or Hollywood movies. They also have a lot of content related to sports. If you are planning to watch your favorite movie on this OTT app on your smart TV, then here are the steps to subscribe and watch. We also shared a video on how to install and activate this app on your smart TV. We will share that link in the description. To subscribe to Sony LIV on our smart TV, open the app and go to the left side. And here at the top, we have subscribe now option. We just have to select that. And we will get this page with all the plan details. So we can choose our required plan here. For the time being, I'll go with monthly plan. Select this. And suppose if we have any promo code, we can enter the promo code here. So we can choose the pay option. And now here we have the payment page. We can do this by two ways. We can get this QR code and make the payment through our UPI app, or we can go to this website link on our mobile or laptop to make the payment using our debit card, credit card, net banking or wallet. We will see them one by one now. For the website activation method, we can go to sonylivcom/subscription. It will open this page, and here we have two options, premium for yearly and monthly. So we can choose the plan we want, and here we can enter the promo code if we have any. Then we can select the pay option. So these are the options we have. We can use our credit card, debit card, ATM cards. And we can also make the payment through UPI. So we just have to follow the steps. That's all for the website activation method. For the QR code method, we can take our phone and open any UPI app we want. We are going with GPay now. And go to scan any QR code and scan this QR code. So we will get this page and we just have to choose the continue option. And now set up auto pay. And here we have to enter our PIN. So after entering the PIN, we can select the OK option. Setting up auto pay. That's all. This should now reflect on the TV. That's all. We can now go to the left side. Go to the top and choose our profile. And here we can see our subscription plan active. That's all. These are the steps to subscribe and watch Sony LIV Premium on our smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.